Welcome to Global Love 254. My name is Edward Mutuku, Nairobi's finest. This one is called Daniel Wanyeki. Daniel is just about to be released from Kenya's community maximum prison after serving 17 cold, cruel years. It all started in 2007 when Daniel's two young daughters, aged 7 and 9, testified against him in a court of law for rape. Daniel would be thrown into the dungeons for life until yesterday when one of the daughters, conquered by guilt and remorse, stepped forward and retracted the evidence that she testified against him. Take a listen.
This incident involved his daughters, who were used to frame him and were only 7 and 9 years old at the time. Once they grew up and understood the situation, they decided to retract the testimony they had given, explaining that they did so out of fear of being shot.
As the story goes, Daniel was embroiled in a bitter family feud with his other brothers for refusing to give consent to sell a parcel of the family's land. His disgruntled brothers would later on go and manipulate and coerce his little girls to accuse him of rape, and so they did. Young, innocent, naive, and ignorant girls testified that their own father raped and defiled them. And just like that, Daniel was thrown into the dungeons until this. Okay? Now, this elicits numerous questions about the legal process in this country or in this world in general, and what really it takes for someone to be convicted of such an allegation like rape or defilement. Because if the man really didn't do it, then what evidence did the judges use to jail this man? Did they just listen to the naive girls, and for that they decided that it was enough to send a man to jail for life? That was a life imprisonment. Okay? Could there be some bribery or some malpractice that was applied? Okay? Endless questions, no answers. But the judge quashed the case and accepted the new affidavit that was filed by the daughter that retracted the testimony that she gave back then when she was young. And now, Mr. Daniel is smiling like rugs in the wind, looking forward to regaining his lost freedom and rejoining the society. Daniel Wanyeki is a gold-hearted man, and he said explicitly that he has forgiven his daughters and is ready to move on like nothing ever happened. May God bless him.